Good evening. Hello, friends. Welcome to Petrotancy. Today we'll check another software. It is Petrophysical Formation Evolution software of a particular zone I have interpreted and using this software, which I have coded in using Python. Okay, so let's run this software and see the result. So these are the results. Okay, and the software output is here. You can see that effective porosity, water saturation, SXO, hydrocarbon saturations, and BVW. It has calculated and plotted as a software output. So it is tested with a known reservoir zone, and the efficacy of the software is proven also. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Keep visiting this channel and subscribe to get more informations about Python programming and its application to geosciences, oil and gas. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.